Hey y'all, welcome. We are going to be doing a Thredup Rescue Box unboxing today, and I'm going to be opening a box I haven't opened in a really long time, and that is the Thredup Shoe Box. Now, I have done a few of these in the past, and they have all been pretty good. Some were amazing, some were just okay, but either way, I always have made a profit on these boxes. Now, I don't order them all the time, and it's not even because they don't sell well or that I don't enjoy selling shoes, but it's honestly about the storing of the shoes. For me, that's the issue. I usually wait until my inventory gets low and then I'll order another one. But because I've been doing so many DIY designer boxes, that's kind of been reloading me on shoes. However, I watched Jennifer over at French Teacher MBA, and I will link her channel in the description, opened an amazing shoe box a few weeks ago, and then Kristen D opened one, I think on Sunday of this week, and I'll link her channel below also. They were awesome. So it was time. There was a 30% off sale on rescue boxes, and I decided to go ahead and try one again. Okay, so I ordered this one on September 4th. And this is the 15-piece shoe box, which on the receipt it says $80, but I don't know what I actually paid. It was on sale, but then you have to factor in the $9.99 shipping, so I don't know. Not sure. Either way, I feel like I got a good deal. I'm not going to lift it up for you guys to see because it's really heavy. And I also ordered the denim box, which I've never done before, but I've been seeing some awesome denim boxes lately. Lindsay Valverde, I'll link her channel below, and then Lindsay Clark, and I'll link her channel below, have had some great boxes, and during the sale, I decided why not. So that one I will be opening next week. Okay, I can't believe this tissue was intact and sticker still in place. Okay. So these are not rubber banded together. Did I tell you when I ordered this? Yes. I didn't say where it was from. This one is from Swanee, Georgia. Okay, so the first pair of shoes we have off the top is a pair of like espadrille wedges. This is by the brand Casteller. Right there. Trying to look for a quick size. They do still have on this one the little sticker, so that's good. They have been worn, so they're definitely not brand new. And I do not see a size on this, which is super weird. It's not on the bottom. Well, maybe that's one reason that these are in the box. Not sure on the size. I want to guess maybe like a 7 or 7.5. Okay, next, trying to find matches. We have a pair of suede, kind of like a wedge loafer. This is by the brand Collection. It says Ultimate Comfort. Oh yeah, that's by Clark's. So Collection by Clark's, and it's got a nice kind of thick foam sole. And let's see if I can find, here we go. This is in a size 7. They look like they're in really great shape. And I'm not familiar with Collection by Clark's. I know that Clark's in general have sold for me well in the past. Okay, next. We have a pair of Sam Edelman suede heels. They're in great shape in like a very neutral color. There we go. These are also in a size 7. Let's look at this one. Yeah, nothing wrong with these at all. Look how cute those are. These don't resell for the most, but they're in great shape. So that's something. All right, we have a new with tags pair. And this is a new day. So that's not super exciting, but these are new with tags and they were $34. I have actually sold several pairs of a new day shoes that have come in fun boxes. So they do sell. These are new with tags, so I may go ahead and list these. They're really cute. And these are 7.5. Okay, so nothing super exciting yet. We're going to keep going. Next, we have a pair of kind of a sneak print, like slide on tennis shoe. And this is by Steve Madden. They need like a good wipeout on the inside. There's the bottoms. Oops. Let's see. And these are in an 8.5. So I'll have to comp those out and take a look at those. And if you're new to the channel and you like unboxings, I do unboxings twice a week. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and you'll be notified of upcoming videos. This is a pair of Sperry's. They're kind of in a pink or like a salmon color. These are a women's 11. Okay, so we've got kind of a larger size. And I know Sperry's at least were very popular. Not sure if they still are or not. So I will have to look those up. They look like they're in good shape. Okay. We have a rogue piece of tissue in there. I guess they threw it in to try to protect some of the shoes. Okay, next. These are really adorable. Look at that little mule, kind of in a suede-like material in like a mustard yellow. These are universal thread, so the brand is nothing exciting. But they don't really look like they've been worn at all, and these are in an 8.5. So I may have to look at listing those. It's perfect for the upcoming season. We have another pair here. Look at this big chunky wedge. I love wedges. I can't wear one this high though. It's got a white elastic, and we've got another Steve Madden. Here's the other one. Overall, the shoes have been in good shape. Let's see if I can find a size. I don't see one on that one. I was gonna guess like an 8.5 maybe. Oh, here we go. It is a size 8. So it's close. And that really chunky wedge. Okay. We have a pair of Burke lookalikes. These are the White Mountain ones. Got a really pretty suede or suede-like big knot or bow at the top. Let's see if I can figure out the size. It does say genuine leather upper, which is great. No idea what size these are. There is a sticker stuck on the bottom here, but it doesn't really tell me anything. So I'm not sure on the size on these. I'm gonna also say maybe an 8, but those are really cute. Okay, so when I watched Kristen D's video from Sunday, she had a ton of sneakers, a ton. This is the first pair. We're pulling them out, but let's see what we've got. Okay, we've got the very popular star, right? That's supposed to look like golden goose. I doubt these are golden goose. Let's see. Oh, they're Havanas. Okay. That's great. These are going to sell well. They look like they're in good shape. And they're a size 10. We'll look at the other one. Yeah, these look like they're in awesome shape. I'm super happy with these. There's some writing in here, which is why I have one eye closed. Like, that's actually going to help me see it. I was going to see what it says. It says, white navy multi. And I guess the style name is GADOL. That's what it says. And then it says 10. Those look awesome. Very happy with these. I'm running out of room here on my desk to put all the shoes. Okay, so we've got another layer of tissue coming out to the bottom layer. How are we almost done with this box? Okay, I'm gonna pull these out. Was excited when I first saw like the weave on this one, thinking that maybe I got a pair of Rothy's, but they aren't. Lucky brand. They got that Rothy's kind of style to them. They look like they're in good shape. And these are in a 6.5 medium. Okay, now it looks like the bottom of the box has a lot of like booties, like heavier shoes. So we've got this pair here. So kind of an ankle booty with a like peep toe here. And it's got a zipper on the back and a really pretty gray, it feels like leather. Let's see if I can unzip it and find out who this guy is. Oh, this is nice. We've got a pair of Eileen Fisher, which I actually have a pair of Eileen Fisher little ankle booties that I love. Let's see if we can find a size. Oh, here we go. Well, it says a size 9, but then someone wrote on the bottom of this one 8 wide. So I'm not really sure why that's going on, or 8 women. But they are marked a 9. There's a little bit of wear on the heel on this one. If you can see that, maybe it's dirt. I may have to try to wipe that one up. But those are great. Eileen Fisher doesn't necessarily resell for the most, but it is a really good brand. And I own a pair. I like them, so we will see how those do. Okay, another pair of little ankle booties. Oh, these are new with tags. They're kind of in a metallic. It says they're 9. It says wide width, and it says time and true. You got a little zipper on the side. Okay, 2 pairs left. I can tell the brand on both of these, and so I'm going to do this pair first, and then I'm going to save the better one for last. Okay, we have a pair of Universal Thread, also new with tags. So it looks like the new with tags items that we got are all like Target or Walmart brands, which they don't accept anymore at Thredup, so that makes sense. I have a nice stacked heel, the zipper kind of like faux suede. Again, size 11. I don't see any like original price on these. So probably those are going to go to my local thrift. Give it to them so they can sell it. Okay. Last pair. Someone got a pair of Uggs. I'm so excited about this. Hopefully they're in good shape. I can see that I need to do Somebody had a pet. I don't know if y'all can tell, but there's a lot of pet hair on this, which is no big deal. So far, the outside of these look pretty good. Listen, I love Uggs. I wear them in the winter, and I have resold like my old pair that were like trashed, like water stains, even though I've treated them. And I think I still sold them for like $75. So people do buy Uggs, and these are in decent condition from what I can see on this one. Here's the back there. Are these fake Uggs? I feel like these don't feel as soft as my Uggs. I'm just saying. I may have to go pull mine out and compare them to these. These are a size 9, according to this tag. I'm just saying this doesn't feel as soft as the pair I have on the inside. I'm not familiar with fake Uggs, so I'm not sure. I mean, I feel like these look real. Everything looks legit, but I'm just saying this doesn't feel very soft on the inside. So I'm not sure about that. There's the inside. Again, lots of like hair on these. I'm gonna look at this tag. Well, does mine even have this kind of tag? I don't know. This looks like it's an authenticity tag right here. So I am going to pull my Uggs out, and I will put on the bottom if mine looks similar on the inside to these. I just feel like this, unless this is like a different style than mine, I just feel like this doesn't feel very soft. So I'll put a little note on the bottom on whether or not I think that these are real or not. I hope that they are. I would say overall it was a decent box. I mean, if these are real, these are definitely going to pay for the box and already make me a profit. I'm happy with the condition of the majority of shoes. And then also, I mean, the Havanas, that's awesome. So let me know what you guys think. Again, I mentioned a few other people's videos that they've done. I will link those below if you want to go watch theirs. And let me know what you think. Did you order one when they were on sale? And was yours better or worse than mine? All right, you guys, join me on Thursday for a fun box unboxing. I will see you then. Bye, y'all.